Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term altar poem. Introduction. An altar poem, also known as Carmen figuratum, Latin for shaped poem, is a unique literary art form where the verses or stanzas are arranged to create a visual design on the page that typically reflects the subject of the poem. This blending of visual and textual elements enhances the reader's experience by providing a direct visual representation of the poem's theme. Historical context. The use of altar poems can be traced back to Persian poets of the 7th century. This technique saw a significant revival during the Renaissance period, a time of renewed interest in classical art and literature. The Renaissance poets embraced the artistic challenge of crafting poems that were both visually and textually compelling. Notable Renaissance poets. During the Renaissance, several poets adopted the altar poem format, contributing to its popularity and development. Among them were Sauter, Quarles, Benlowes, Herrick, and Herbert. One of the most influential figures was George Puttenham, who in his work The Art of English Poesy, 1589, devoted an entire chapter to shaped poems, providing illustrations and fostering interest in this literary device. Examples: George Herbert's The Altar and Easter Wings. The altar is shaped to resemble an altar, aligning form with poem's religious content. Easter Wings features stanzas arranged to mimic the shape of wings, symbolizing spiritual ascent and renewal. Example from Easter Wings: Lord, who createdst man in wealth and store, though foolishly he lost the same, decaying more and more, till he became most poor. With thee, O let me rise, as larks harmoniously, and sing this day thy victories. Then shall the fall further, the flight in me. The second stanza follows the same visual pattern, enhancing the thematic continuity. Dylan Thomas's Vision and Prayer, a modern series of 12 devotional poems that utilize the shaped poem technique to convey deep spiritual reflections. Rabelais's Bottle-Shaped Song, an epitaph in honor of Bacchus shaped like a bottle, showcasing the versatility of altar poem format in creating different themes. Guillaume's Apollinaires Il Pleut in Calligrammas, a poem printed to visually represent raindrops trickling down the page, demonstrating how form can enhance the sensory experience of reading. Significance. Altar poems are significant for their ability to merge visual art with literary expression. This creative form allows poets to enhance reader experience. By aligning the visual design with the poem's subject, poets create a more immersive and engaging experience. Showcase creativity. The challenge of shaping text into meaningful designs highlights the poet's artistic skill and ingenuity. Explore new dimensions. The visual aspect of altar poems opens up new interpretive possibilities, allowing readers to appreciate the interplay between form and content. Usage. While initially rooted in religious themes, the device of the altar poem has been adapted for various motives over time. Its enduring appeal lies in its capacity to combine the visual and literary arts, making it a versatile and expressive form that continues to inspire poets and readers alike. In conclusion, the altar poem is a distinctive and enduring literary form that transcends mere text, inviting readers to engage with poetry on both visual and intellectual levels. Its historical roots and continued use in modern literature attest to its unique ability to convey complex themes through an elegant synthesis of art and language. So this was the discussion on the term altar poem. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.